Seaside Serenity is a beautifully decorated two-bedroom, two-bathroom oceanfront unit with exceptional views from the north and west windows. This luxury condo is in the New Pacific Winds complex with convenient beach access. The fully equipped gourmet kitchen has a full array of stainless steel appliances, while the comfortable yet exquisite living area features a large screen TV and sofa bed. A workplace is available with a fax machine and Wi-Fi capabilities. The master bedroom provides a king-size Select Comfort Sleep Number bed. Both bedrooms have their own TV and bathroom and have windows strategically located near the ocean so that you can fall asleep to the sound of the waves. Enjoy the matchless beauty of the Oregon Pacific Coast while sitting in the warm, relaxing waters of your own private balcony hot tub. Also enjoy free access to the indoor pool, hot tub, exercise room, game room, and parking garage. This is truly an opportunity for a first-class luxury experience.